Good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. Bright and early here on a Sunday morning. We've got some junkage in the bed of the truck. Today I'm going to try a little bit of a different side of the road special. I'm going to go by the truck stop for a couple hours and just test the waters. See what we sell. We're going to set up 3 or 4 tables. See if we can make some cashola. So let's see what we do today. Okay, I'm right here set up. I'm right near a truck stop on the corner of 8 and 10, the highways here, which I believe this is Eloy, Arizona. Lots of traffic here because this is a good sized truck stop here. The guy that's coming here, he'll be selling tacos here probably the next 30 to 40 minutes. I did get confronted by the owner that owns this property. I'll show you here. He's got a watchdog guy back here, if you can see that trailer. So I had to pay $10 to stay here, but I could stay here all day if I wanted to. It gets a lot of traffic, so I'm interested and I'm willing to roll the dice and pay the money to stay here. Really cool guy. So I just got done setting everything up. I got Rick with me here today. Hopefully this will work out and we'll make some money this morning. Lots of traffic, so hopefully we'll get some buyers and make some cashola. Quick tour of the place here. We've got tools set up here. A lot of the same mumbo jumbo you saw in the last video. I did throw out another couple tubs of stuff. So we've got some plush here. Just a bunch of randomness here. Supposedly somebody's coming to get the dartboard and the vinyl records. But just a bunch of randomness here. Some toys. Household DVDs. Got the rings. And just some grab bag boxes. So just again, a small setup where it's loaded in the truck here. I'm using the bed for, you know, just this rummage stuff, this storage unit crap that I got. So we got tools, hammers, drills, miscellaneous stuff, nothing crazy. You know, 50 cents, $1 type stuff. So I'm really excited about setting up here. This is the first time I've ever done this area here. And hopefully we get some buyers here, because there's quite a bit of traffic. Hopefully we get some truckers to stop, and then when the taco guy sets up right here, we can he gets pretty busy. So looking forward to this today. Good morning.
How you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Good. What do you got that I just can't do without?
Plenty of junkage, plenty of stuff. Is that a bulldog on your hood there?
Yeah.
That's neat.
Yeah, that's it. From a Mack truck.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe.
So they're not after you.
Yeah, I was like, uh-oh, they're coming for me. Oh, did you see him put it back?
Huh?
Did you see him put it back?
No, I didn't see him taking it.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thanks. Yeah. Nice talking to you.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you as well.
Yeah, cool.
that was crazy. That guy was trying to buy a ring here from me and just talking incoherently, and somebody called the police department on him. Wanted for some kind of felony warrant, I don't know. They just arrested him. Craziness. Well, had one shopper come by here, buy a magnifying glass, but now we're going to start promoting pit bull fighting. So in the next half hour here, we're going to start placing our bets, make some money that way. It's all about the hustle. Traffic is just non-stop here.
Non-stop.
Just waiting for some buyers, right, Rick?
Yep.
What'd you think about that police fiasco?
Yeah, it was interesting. Didn't want to sit around and watch, so a little bit of a walk.
Look crazy.
It was very crazy.
He's still over there, though. They arrested him, or they put him in the back. And the car is across the street now, so who knows what he did.
Huh.
They said something about him coming out of a hospital.
Wow.
Come on, people. Stop and shop. Come on, doggies. Stop and shop. What you guys need? Come on now. We got a shopper here, a tow truck driver. Come on by. Come on by, baby.
Three. Oh, I don't have one, no. I had one I gave it to my daughter. She was missing one in her car.
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
That's all, yeah. These two, right? Thank you. Appreciate it. They got the tacos and we got the tools. Come on by. Tacos and tools.
Oh, we don't open the light.
Huh?
The light?
$1.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, we got some slow going here. I mean, the spot's busy here, but nobody's stopping. We got the taco guy that just set up here. We've made a little bit of money here so far, but nothing too crazy here. What's up, boys? It's okay. We're here at Alvarado Tacos and Hot Dogs. Damn, yummy. So we're just gonna keep winging it here. Talking to a guy on Facebook right now. He's interested in buying all the records, so we'll see how that works out. But yeah, we need some shoppers. We need some shoppers. Lunchtime and the taco man is slammer packed. Come on, tacos and tools, ladies and gentlemen. Tacos and tools. That's the Ryobi batteries that go in here. This is just a charger.
What is it? Milwaukee?
The walkie-talkie? Oh, the Milwaukee ones. Yeah. Oh, okay.
You don't have those?
No, I don't. I think I got every other brand besides Milwaukee. Not too shabby. I don't know if you can see that. So a Tommy Hilfiger crew neck for $44.95 on the eBays. I'll take that, that's for sure. So lots of traffic here. Just it seems like 1 out of every 150 cars stops. Probably because the corner's kind of crazy here. But the food truck here has brought some people in. People ordering their food and they're coming over here and doing a little shopping. You know, a lot of dollar items I'm selling. So it's not a complete bust. You know, all this stuff like this, I think it's just trial and error. You know, it's just to go out here, set up camp, and just see what happens. You know, obviously, you know, I don't want to be out here for 9 or 10 hours, but at the same point in time, it's just, you know, kind of set up shop, a couple 2-3 hours, see what goes, and make some cashola. So gonna probably hang out here for a little bit longer and see if we get any more buyers. Come on down. I need one of those freaking crazy little signs or something over here on the side of the road. It says big sale. I need this wheels, deals, and steals banner is what I need. So people are coming in. They want their tacos. I just wish more people would stop by. It's acting like it wants to work, but well, maybe it's got some cruddy dirt in there or something.
Hello? Hello?
Breaker 10-9er.
Hello?
He's either coming for tacos or some tools. Oh yeah. Oh, now the shoppers are coming. They're coming.
Well, it's an honor to meet you, brother.
Yeah, man. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Wow.
That was a nice one. That's a good freaking taco.
Yeah. Make sure you poison it.
If we drop dead in about 10 minutes,
This guy knows.
nobody will know. That'd be a good way to get free stuff.
Mike, I'm always asking myself, or asking you, hey, man, am I acting weird or dumb? No, brother, I'm not. It's these fools that come around.
Crazy.
You know, you caught that, right? I'm like, I mean, sitting there like going, he's like smiling. I mean,
He had that yellow streak up in his hair. I don't know what that was about.
I do.
Maybe it's a sign of the times, huh? Or is that how you pick up men?
Well, I'm still biblical. I was getting ready to say that. I mean, God put it right there in the Bible. Straight up.
Yep. So the gentleman from earlier was looking at some rings at on the table there, and I just turned my back and I was talking to Rick, and all of a sudden the squad pulled up and started talking to him, and I went back to look at the rings, and I'm like, oh my gosh, he stole a couple. Now, I know it's kind of hard to hear in the video, but after all this happened here, he got arrested for theft from that Love's gas station across the street. Something was going on with that. Plus, he lied to the police officers about his name. Honestly, he looked like he came out of some kind of psychiatric ward or something like that. He just wasn't acting right at all. So I don't know. We get a lot of these people out here that they leave rehab centers, and there's a big rehab center just south of here, and it's just crazy, you know. So it's kind of like almost instant karma there, right? While they're sitting there arresting him, I didn't want to say anything like, "Hey, check his pockets. He's got my rings." But whatever, it is what it is. It's just the craziness, you know. Just the craziness, that's for sure. So I was out here for about 2 hours. I did have to spend $10 to be here, which was kind of ridiculous. I almost think I got scammed, to be honest with you. I don't know. You know, I always see people on this corner selling things, and you know, the guy I gave the money to was a great guy, but he did buy me some tacos, which I guess it evens out. But at the end of the day, I did around $60, so minus that $10 for the spot rental. I walked away with $50 and gave Rick half, so $25. So $25 selling some junkage for 2 hours, about $12.50 an hour. Not the greatest. It's not the worst. It can definitely be worse when you can't sell anything. I got to start figuring out some solutions here to get more people in, you know, having some signage. I have been posting on Facebook, this is that. I think I'm going to try a couple more of these here down the road, but really I think I need to go find a flea market here to where the traffic's consistent, and I can unload a lot of this stuff. So appreciate you guys watching today's video. Hope you're out there making some money. Go out there, be great. Till next time, out here, peace, vlog,